How to verify bank account Etsy. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you'll be learning how you can verify your bank account on Etsy.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And don't forget, you're gonna find in the description of this video the sign up and website links of Etsy.com. So if you have not created your shop, you must go into your account, click on it, and there you're gonna find the option to start selling with Etsy, to start your own store. Once you have done that, I have not finished the process because I wanted to show you. You're gonna be asked for this, okay? So shop preferences. Let me show you from the beginning. I'm gonna leave this by now. So the shop language, shop country, and the shop currency. Then you must put a name on your shop. And now I'm in this step, stock your shop. So you must add some photos. I must complete all this process. I'm just gonna add a random picture. Yes, you can add some videos too if you want, a title, who made it, I did it, what is it, a finished product, and this is made to order. Let's suppose the category is a test. Okay, so we are card making. Let's suppose primary color. I'm just filling this in a random because this is what you must select depending on the qualities of your product. Okay, so I'm gonna continue with this because I must fill all this data if I want to continue to the last part where I must verify my bank account. So this is gonna cost 50. This is it. You must also place a size and a weight on your product. And now I'm going to save and continue. Okay, have some extra spaces. That was it. Save and continue. Once you have done the stock of your shop, now how you'll get paid. So here I'm going to do this later. I'm not going to add some more products. And here you have the option how you'll get paid. So as you can read, Etsy Payments gives buyers the most payment options and gives you Etsy seller protection. And look at how many payment options you can receive: PayPal, Visa, debit or credit card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, even Klarna, and some others. So you must select your country for tax purposes. So what type of seller are you? And you must tell them a little more about yourself. Once you have filled all this data, now you must let them know if in the past 10 years have you ever lived in a sanctioned region like these countries. So by now I'm gonna say no. And now your bank information. And by now, because my info is not 100% real, I must stop by now, okay? But that's how it works. That's how you can connect your bank account with Plate. And obviously you must complete data to follow the steps. Obviously to real 100% real information, because if not, this is not gonna be successful. And once you have done that, you will be verified your bank account on Etsy.com. Thanks for watching.